guys, welcome back to PyAI Hub. Today we're gonna do installation DuckDB. We already posted a video about installing DuckDB, but this is more specific because last time we installed it inside the terminal and inside VS Code, but this time we are doing it globally. So wherever the directory, which directory we use, that doesn't matter. Now we are going to install DuckDB CLI. Okay, so there is no VS Code confusion, or many use SQL, MySQL extensions in VS Code, but here we are not using that because it's basics. So I don't want you to get confused and worry about your code. Okay, because of that, we are not using any unnecessary tools or extensions. But in the coming video, in the intermediate, we will use much more professionally. Okay, so this is the stable professional way to use terminal as our main place. Okay, now we should know what is DuckDB CLI. So DuckDB CLI means command line interface. So it's a lightweight SQL engine that runs directly from your terminal. No server, no configuration or headache, or perfect for learning SQL, for really best for beginners. Now in Windows, we can directly install the DuckDB using the prompt. I will Windows get install DuckDB CLI. So for that, I am using Windows plus R. Then we search for WT and enter. The terminal will be opened. Now we are going to use win get install DuckDB. So we need to also add CLI. Okay, then run. Now it's downloading. Okay, so as the DuckDB we already downloaded, it shows this way. So we already downloaded the DuckDB. Let's check whether the DuckDB is already downloaded. DuckDB, then version. So we will get the DuckDB version. So it's installed properly. Okay. Now what should I do? Let's give it a cross afterwards. Let's go through the DuckDB in site. Okay. So many of them more prefer to download through site. So for that we can just use duckdb.org, and then we will find installation. Install it from here. You can see installation, and you can install that. Okay. As I already installed it in my system, I don't want to install again. So the everything installation and everything is just here. So you just want to install whatever you want, which file you want. Okay. Or I can get you to. So here also you will find the installation command line and the installation. Okay, direct downloads. You can directly download it from here. Okay. So if I download it, I should extract that. Okay, I just download it now. It's a tiny file, so don't think your system gonna lose its memory. So it's that tiny, and you can really use it everywhere. Okay, let's wait for it to install. So now let's see it's installed. Now let's open it in a folder. Afterwards, let's extract it all. We need to provide the location. So I'm browsing, and I would like to give, means we should give the location as Windows. Inside that, program files. Afterwards, we need to select the folder. Inside program files, I named a folder named DuckDB. Name it yourself. Okay, like you can just name the folder or create a new folder and name it. Okay, so I already named the folder as DuckDB and select that folder. Okay, you can use the folder name. So now just copy it, extract it to there. So we give the administrative permission. We get the file, and we get its path. Okay, you can also find it path here in more properties. You can find the path. Okay, so now our main thing that is we need to open our settings, and we need to move to environment files. Environment variable. So now let's open environment variable, search for settings, open it, and afterwards you need to search the environment. Just write env, it will be fine. So write en, and you will find the environment variable here. So now you can see environment variable, edit environment variable. Afterwards, here you will find this and move to here, and in the system variables, edit. Use select path. Afterwards, edit, and here you can see that I already added the location name. So if I deleted it, I delete it, and I need a new one. So I add a new and it comes. We already copied the path, paste it here, then press OK, and OK, then OK. So close the settings, and then we can open the terminal. Here also we can close this. Okay, now we can open the terminal by Windows plus R or X. We can open terminal, and afterwards let's just say DuckDB and run. So it shows that the DuckDB is opened here. Okay, so here we globally installed it. It means we can run DuckDB from any folder in our system. It is not global. The command line will not work everywhere. Okay, while we do it just in the terminal, but here it can work in any directory. Okay, so the main question that is, where will database be created? Okay, now this is important. DuckDB creates the database file in folder where your terminal is currently located. Okay, so I created a folder for DuckDB to place other files inside that. So not randomly, not anywhere in the system, exactly where you are standing. Okay, so you can use the current location. Okay, that's pwd. We can use it, or we can just use cd to show the current directory. Okay, so the professionals don't create database randomly on desktop. They create under correct directories. So I just want it. So if it is here, we just use exit and run. The DuckDB will be exit, like it will be finished. Okay. So in this situation, let's use, if we just enter or do something, it won't end. So in such situation, we can just use Control plus C. So it will be terminated. Okay. So that's it. Now our DuckDB is on code. Now we need to add .ext. If the DuckDB is still working, we can use it, like .ext exit. So DuckDB will be terminated from the session. Okay. So now what we are gonna do? We are gonna move the directory, move the projects. Okay. So here I already have a directory, so I'm placing it to there. So if you have some directory names or anything, you can place it there, like using mk dir sql projects or just queries. Okay, now it is created, length name sql projects, everything is created, and we can use cd, the name we gave sql projects. So it will be placed this way. Okay, but my directory is different from this, so I am just moving out by just using cd and double dot. Now the sql project will be removed from here. So like this, and I need to place the real directory. So this is not the directory I want to place my code, so I'm adding cd plus the directory. It's changed now. Okay, so you can check location like pwd. Using that, you can find the path. My path is this. Your path may be different because we are doing in different systems and different paths. Okay, now we need to do duckdb and make a students.db and run. Enter. Okay, this command does not this command do things. It's like if the file does not exist, it create it. If the file already exists, it opens it. Now I don't have a file named students.db, so it create it. If you already have any file named this way, it will open it. Okay, so the file is now created inside the folder, inside our place. So if we go to our place, we can find our students.db database. Okay, now you will see something like D. In that place, you can understand our DuckDB is on track, and this means you are inside the database. Okay, so verify the file was created, and we verified it. We go to our, our directory and found that there is the file named students.db, and we found that. Okay, now you understand that DB creates database in current working directory. So inside the DuckDB, you can type anything. Okay, it's like you can type select 1 plus 1 and use a semicolon, run. So we'll get the answer 2. and it should answer this way. So SQL is running properly. And today we done a very good thing and very basic thing a beginner should know. Now let's use dot exit, and the DuckDB is temporarily down. Okay, so now you're back to your terminal. And the important clarification I need to say that DuckDB does not create files randomly. It creates them in your current folder. If you don't know where your terminal is, that's when confusion happens. Okay, now you know how to find your terminal, how to know, you can use PWD to know the path. You can find the path. You can do operations inside DuckDB. But before that, before doing anything, you need to just call it as DuckDB. Okay, when you have this kind of error, you can just do use double colons, or you can do the best way, that's control plus C. It will definitely terminate that, and we need to just call the DuckDB again in our terminal. So we'll be back on track. So why we use terminal first? As we know, terminal give you full control. There's no complications, no hidden background problems, or any problems that face when you move to some professional or a different database. Okay, so there is nothing hard while using terminal. It's like, yeah, you can use it, you can find it like that way. So now we finished every setup, we done everything. It's a foundation, and I hope it's clear, it's okay for you to understand. And if you need MySQL thing, or you need to work in MySQL VS Code, we can do that too. Okay, just comment below so I can understand which terminal you would like to work with. Okay, thank you.